Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change cache location in DaVinci Resolve. So changing the cache file location is really easy. First we need to click on this gear icon from bottom right corner. After that it will open the project settings window. From here we need to scroll down until you find an option of cache files location. So select browse from here. After that select the location where you want to save your cache files. So I want to save them inside my C drive. I'll just select this and then choose the folder where you want to save your cache files. So I'll just select this one, and now you can see the cache file location has been changed here. After that make sure to save your changes. Now your project cache clips will be saved inside that selected folder, but if you start working on new project then the cache file location will be reset again. So to fix that we need to again open settings. After that click on these three dots, then select save current setting as preset and then name your preset. I'll just name it ABC, then hit OK. Again click on the three dots. Now go to ABC and then select set as default preset and select set. After that you can close this window. Now if I start a new project inside DaVinci Resolve, then it will automatically select the settings I choose for my cache files. Like you can see, the cache files is the one I selected. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.